Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make velvet cookies, only ways. Begin by creaming butter and sugar until light, then add eggs one at a time and mix in vanilla. Fold and dry ingredients gently to avoid overworking the dough, then chill for 30 minutes to firm up the batter. Scoop uniform portions, bake until edges set, and cool on a rack before glazing for best flavor and texture. Start with precise ingredients and gentle technique for consistent velvet cookies. Swap a portion of all-purpose flour for cake flour, or add 1 to 2 tablespoons cornstarch to soften the crumb. Keep eggs and butter at room temperature to integrate smoothly, and use fine sugar for improved creaming. Chill the dough briefly to prevent spreading, then bake on parchment for even bottoms and perfect color. Enjoy warm or cooled with your favorite glaze. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It pairs perfectly with cookie breaks and kitchen downtime, making recipe reading cozy and portable. I've linked it in the description along with any deals and tools I used today, so check there if you want one. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Preheat your oven and prepare for consistent bakes with these steps. Scoop dough into equal portions using a cookie scoop for uniform size and bake time. Place pans on the middle rack and monitor for set edges and slightly soft centers, which finish firming on the cooling rack. Avoid overbaking to preserve velvet texture, and cool completely before glazing or stacking to maintain shape and moisture balance for the best eating experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.